Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from Czech Beads exclusive, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here is the theme for the month, and it is spirituality. And it says there's 20 items, but they're broken down into lots again. So that means that there's even more than 20 items. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. Here are some melon beads. These are matte black with blue on them. They're gorgeous. And we have a little charm here, a witch charm. It's so cute. It's copper. I love that. I don't have a lot of copper charms, so super happy about that. Here are 4mm matte Czech trucks. And we have, oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. These are daggers, and they got the peacock finish on them, but they're teal, like a turquoise teal, gorgeous color, my favorite color. I love those. These will make amazing flowers. And then we have some, are these UFOs? I think these are kind of UFOs, and I forgot I'm supposed to be opening the bags. I'm so sorry. You guys have been requesting for me to open the bags. And the reason why I didn't really open the bags in the past is because it's very time consuming. It makes the video longer, and everybody wants shorter videos, which is kind of hard to do when you are teaching classes. So this is kind of like the UFO bead, but it's whiter at the base. Oh my gosh. I wonder if these are witch hats, because Halloween's coming up. It might be a witch hat. They could totally pass for a witch hat or a snowman. So I'll go back to these here and open these up. Oh my gosh, I got a dog hair in my hand. They really are awesome. I love these so much. Those are gorgeous. And I'm going to have a hard time getting them back in the bag because they're so tiny. Okay. Oops. I forgot one. Okay, I'm not going to worry about opening these other ones because I think these are pretty self-explanatory. Matte black. This is matte black. It's a witch charm. What are these? Are these hands? Yes, I have never seen these before. They're hand, like, well, I wouldn't say they're beads. They're glass, but it's kind of like a charm because the hole's at the top. That's really different. I've never seen this before. Those are cool. And they're in my favorite color, the turquoisey blue color. Ooh, a sugar skull charm. I made a sugar skull necklace. It was a lariat. Do you guys remember? It was with the Czech Beads exclusive box. I think it was. That's cute. Double-sided too, which makes it even better. And I think these are scarabs. I have scarab beads in Swarovski. I have 2 of them. And then I have scarab beads in ceramic, and those are incredible. The detail in them are amazing. And now I have Czech scarab beads. They're so cool. And you know, one of my favorite movies is The Mummy, and that's what they make me think of. I love that movie. The first one. That one was awesome. And then we have, man, there's a lot of stuff in this box again. It is totally loaded down. What are these? Are these chickens? Nope, elephants. Little charms. I really like the charms that they send out in this box because they're really small. Most of them are, and it's like I could just put them onto a bracelet, like any bracelet I want, pretty much, as long as the theme matches, the color matches the bracelet. Because they're so tiny, they're not annoying, to wear in a bracelet. So I really like their charms. And then we have some more melon beads. So the other one was blue, and this one's silver. And then we have 8OC beads in a color I don't have. Can you believe that? I am still finding beads that I don't have. I didn't think that was possible. And there's a good amount in this bag. Maybe 10, 15 grams. It'll tell me on the thingy when I go to read it, maybe. Yeah, love that color. And then we have some Labrador 4mm Czech trucks. And Labrador means silver. Bright silver. Oh my gosh, there are more daggers. Yes! Oh my god, they're so beautiful! Oh, where'd the other ones go? These. Okay, so these are more of a turquoisey teal color, and this is a more blue. And these are shiny, and these are matte. And the matte really makes the patterns pop. Man, these would make incredible flowers. Those 3D flowers I'm addicted to making with petal beads and leaf beads and daggers and teardrops. Wow, those are incredible. I love those. And I could use them together too in the same flower. Or flowers. Depends on how many there is in there. I need at least 5 of them to make a flower, and I do 5 or 6 in a flower. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can make 1 6-petal or 1 5-petal flower. Then the rest I can use for earrings. Here are some leaf beads. Again, I use these in my flowers. But there are 4 in here, and like I said, I need 5 or 6 to make a flower. These are also great because of their hole, the shape right here, the hole. You can actually put a jump ring on these and use them as little charms in a bracelet, earrings, whatever. Because of how they have the thin glass right there. You can do that with these. Okay, what's next? These are really cool. I don't know if it is considered a peacock though. I don't think so. It's more of polka dots. And the pattern is different, so I don't know what these would be called, but these are also beautiful. Very pretty. And we have some more daggers. No, what are these? These are not daggers. This is a weird shape. It looks like a banana with a hole in the end. A black banana. A rotten banana. Nasty. I don't know what this shape is called. I've never seen it. I wonder if it's like a fang or something like that. Do you see the hole there is on the end? It's curved. It's different. Those would also work in my flowers though. Yep. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Man, they got some amazing daggers in this box. Is it transparent or opaque? I gotta hold it up to the light to see. It's transparent, but it's milky. That's what I would call it, because it's not completely transparent, but it's not opaque, so it's in between. It's milky. And it is gorgeous. Man, that's beautiful. And it has like Picasso or travertine on it. And then we have more daggers. And this is either iris blue or iris green. Man, I'm going to have to link my flower videos below so you guys can go make my flowers with these daggers, because there are just so many in this box. And remember, I also use lentils to make my flowers. The one-hole lentil, teardrops, daggers, lentils, leaf beads, petal beads. So many different shapes that work for making flowers. And here are more daggers. Oh, wow. Okay, these are double-sided. So there's a plating on one side. Looks like maybe an iris plating. Beads blue. There's more still in the bag. Beads blue, but then there's a plating on this side here. See that? That's gorgeous. Beautiful beads. Dropped it in the box. And it's falling in the hole. Okay, I got it. And next, owls. Oh my god, they're so cute! Look at that! My two favorite colors. Turquoise being my first favorite, and pink being my next. I would buy these in a heartbeat, and I've never seen them in this color before. I have these. Oh, look at that. One side's opaque. That's awesome. Okay, so I have these in like an off-white color, and there's like a copper bronzy color in the detail, and then I also have these in green, chartreuse green. They're so cute. And I've used these in one of my tutorials where I did beaded bottles. I had an owl in the bottle, and I made a nest out of seed beads, and I even had Czech beads that had specks on them. They looked like eggs. It was a really cool project. Hope you guys saw that video. It was so much fun. I love these. They're so cute. It makes me want to go online and buy more. Okay, what else? What else? Chilies, 2-hole chili beads. In their Labrador color. I hope there's more owls. Two holes. Such a strange shape. And then, oh yes, I love these. They give these out a lot. These dragon beads. These beads are expensive. Have you guys gone into online stores and see how much these cost? They are very expensive. Depends on the color you get and the finish, but they are pretty expensive. And the bigger they are, the more they are. So pretty. And I think this is the first time I've actually got them in a transparent color. I think I usually get them in a solid color. Pretty. Very pretty. Okay, what else is there? These are 3mm Czech Drux Labrador matte. They're not shiny. And then we have, what else is there? Is there any more owls? Whoa! What is this? Is this a Czech Buddha bead? No way. No way. Seriously. Oh my god. It is. That is so cool. I cannot believe the shapes that they can make out of Czech beads. Incredible. Czech beads really are the most amazing beads ever. I love them so much. I'd rather have Czech over Swarovski any day. Look at that. That is so cute. And I love the turquoise one. He's the bomb. It's my favorite color. He's double-sided. This is his back and his front. How cool is that? That they were able to do that. That's just so cool. That's amazing. Okay. I can't believe the surprises in this box. What's next? 3mm Czech Drux in Aztec Gold color, matte. And here's another shape bead. What is it? What is it going to be? Oh my gosh. It's a hand. Is it one of those Hamza hands? It's like H-A-M-S-A. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Something like that. It's cool looking. Whatever it is. Wow, and I love the color. It's really pretty. It's actually green and blue in one, and then they have the coating that's in the details. Wait a second, where's the hole at? No way, the hole's going sideways? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. So this could actually probably be wire wrapped, but you would cover this, so you would just have to make like a hanger for it where you put the wire through, then you bend the wire up, and then you make a loop with like 1 or 2 wraps so you don't hide the detail of the bead. That's so cool. Okay, so far this box has been totally awesome. Here are 8mm Czech trucks. This was 3. Not that one. Well, that one is 3, but not the same color. This was 3. This is 8. I don't have these in this size. And it's the Aztec gold color. Very pretty. And then we have 8OC beads, which I love. And this is the dark blue. This was the light one. Actually, they look very close in color, but this one is just a little bit lighter than that one. And there's a nice amount of beads in this bag. Okay, that's all of it. Wow, this is an awesome selection of beads. So I'm going to go through all of them and go through the list, and I'll be back. Okay, I organized everything by how it is on the list, and here we go. Number 1 is Scarab Beads, 14 by 10mm. Hot Seed Beads, 8Os, 2 lots. And then we have Hands a Hand bead, 20 by 14mm. And then we have Buddha beads, 14 by 11mm. And then we have more Hands of beads, 15 by 7mm. And we have pumpkin beads, which these are normally known by melon beads, but I totally get what they're doing here. They also do, actually, they look more like pumpkins than they do melon beads. Why don't they call them pumpkin beads? They should have called them pumpkin beads to begin with. These are 8mm. And there's 2 lots of those. And then there is Skull Connector, 20mm by 11. And then we have the cute little Witch Charm, 10 by 14. Elephant Charms, 11 by 9. This is the Leaf Beads, 12 by 6. Dragon Beads, 17mm. Dagger Beads, 5 by 16mm. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of this. There is the lovely owls, which I love so much. They're so cute. 18 by 11mm. And then there are dagger beads, 3mm by 11mm. And hot dagger beads, 11mm. And Halloween hats. They are hats. I was right. They look like hats. 10mm by 7mm. And cool chili beads, 4mm by 11mm. Spacer beads, 3mm, 2 lots. And then round check glass beads, 8mm, and then spacer beads, 4mm, 2 lots. So that is all of them on the list. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, every time I get this box, there's so many cool different things in it that I've never seen before. I really, really love the owls and the daggers. Man, these are awesome. The peacock daggers are so pretty. And the hands and the Buddhas, I did not expect these shapes here. I've never seen these shapes before, and it's really exciting to see all these new shapes. Czech beads are so incredible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and check me out on all my social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.